I saved money buying my CNC. Or did I? From straight up cost comparisons to the intangible, priceless aspects of making a project for myself, I've got my comparison criteria armed, and I'm going to break down my favorite money-saving projects. Something easy to make, something easy to grab material for, cornhole boards. These metal panels were something that the wife wanted for the backyard. When she started looking at buying a bunch of them, I nearly had a heart attack when I saw the cost. Project number 3, fishing lures. I created an actual playable, beautiful guitar, and right now the cheapest master-built telly is going for $8,800 Canadian used. I made something that does not exist. My list goes on and on with why buying a CNC saved me money for things that I was buying anyways.